Today we're doing a bake activity. My name is Jamil.
And my name's Imani.
Oh, I know. Not from that side.
What side?
This side. Oh, that went it. I'm going to get it. No, get all of it. I'm getting all of it. Get all of it. Whoa.
You have to share. I have
It's a pineapple. It's a pineapple.
I have pineapples.
That's not a pineapple. Let me see what that is. That is melted chocolate.
And this is
flour. No,
chocolate.
that's candy. A salt packet.
Wait a minute. You want some of them?
Right here.
Have this.
Right
Fruity
here.
cake
Right
pops.
Here. Right here.
You see, guys? This is what we're making. Fruity cake pops. See?
Yeah.
Okay. I got a glass. Some glasses. The small glasses.
We got to find flour. Put it in the baking. And have
Good, not sugary, salty, floury. Make sugar. I want sugar. I don't. Stop! The yolk looks so good.
I did really good than you.
I'll do that. I'll make it. My turn.
Do you do it all?
That was bad. It looks bad. Oh yes. Okay. It will taste like a cake. So yummy. Yeah, because it's called a fruit cake pop. So yeah,
Right? I just like the bread. We have to pour it.
No.
You put it?
No, I don't want it. Okay.
Not yet.
You want to put it in the top? Take the top. Okay. All right.
But we just have two. What do we have to do?
You like it? Show me your bite, Amani. Show me where you bit it. They're like watermelon. Yours looks like pineapple.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, but for some reason you didn't put the leaves on.
Thank
you for joining us. See you on the next episode.
episode.
Good.